Hi everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video, I will be showing you how to log out from your Gmail account. So first, you open your Gmail application. You are currently at the inbox page. Now for you to log out from this account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right. There you can see all the options over here. To log out from this account, you can tap on add another account and you can get logged in into your account. Once you get logged in into the different account, you will get logged out from yours in Gmail. This is one method of how you can log out from Gmail. The other one is you can tap on the profile icon. There you need to tap on the manage accounts on this device. From here, you tap on the Gmail that you are logged in. And then you can tap on remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contact and other data from the phone. You tap on remove account and you will be logged out from your Gmail account in the phone. So this is how you can log out from Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.